In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for project management. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here to Miro.com. Into this page, you can head over and then proceed to sign up by clicking or entering right here your work email. You can also use your Gmail and click on this sign off free. If you already have an account like I did, proceed to click on this login right here in order to log in. So Miro is actually an AI-powered whiteboard tool good for collaboration. So let's proceed to access it. So here is my actual Miro dashboard. Now we'll use it for project management. So what we can do is we can start with particular templates. So let's click on this from Miro Burst and let's expand and see right here some more templates that they have available. Click onto this search by topic. Let's search in here for project management. Proceed to search right here and you should be able to see in here some templates available based on the search that you have created. So just wait for this to successfully load and it will show you these templates that we have available. We have in here toolkits as well as other options like prompt engineering, project pitch, and the likes. So technically you can use this project contexting as well as this project briefing however you want. Now, if you want to start from scratch, you can also click on this plus icon and create a new theme if you want. Or you can also create a new board or a blank board by just using this Kanban framework. When you click onto this Kanban framework, it will already show you right here a board with specific lists, and the template will be right in progress. We also have in here the done option, people, backlogs, and the likes. We have in here discard. So for example, I can type in here a task. Let's input create a PPT and you can head over and enter it. And here it is. Once you're done with this particular task, you can proceed to move it right here however you want. So with this, you can use it for project management. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.